Kenny with Amico. I'm Studio Tech here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this mug using the ceramic inks. Alright, so I've got my slab already prepared. I'm using Amico's dark chocolate clay. Got my easy screen and my inks. So I'm going to put the white ink across the screen there and squeegee it across. Really transfer that design onto my slab. I'm going to peel that back. Oh yeah, that high contrast with that white with that dark clay body is nice. So I'm going to do the same thing again with that butterfly. Squeegee that ink on, peel it back to reveal. Now I'm going through and I'm beveling the edges so I can slip and score them together. That's where I'm scoring. Add a little water. This chocolate clay is super smooth and very rich looking, and glazes look really nice on it. I add the plastic. It allows me to not smudge it while I'm trying to put this cup together. Try and get that cylinder shape. Now I'm going to work on the bottom of the mug. So get that slab compressed. And then in order for me to figure out where I need to slip and score, I'll slip and score on the bottom here with the mug. So score it up, add a little water. And I can use this to mark on my slab where I'm going to score to get this bottom attached. So get it nice and gooey, lots of water and slip, and squish that cup on there. Using a damp brush, I'm cleaning up the inside, and now I can peel the plastic back to reveal our design. I'm getting the bottom cut out. I'm trying to fix that lip again, move it around. Now I'm working on the handle. It's going to be a real skinny tube. I'm going to bend. Once I get this cut here, I'll put it together and bend it up. And I've got this little handle. So we'll put that onto our mug right on the seam. Help hide that seam a little bit. Slip and score handle and the cup. And then really press and wiggle. Make sure you get that attached. So it's a little gooey and messy right now, but as it sits up, I'll be able to go back and refine it a bit. Here I am adding a couple holes into the handle since it's hollow. And here it is all cleaned up and finished. This is still greenware. It's just all been cleaned up now that it's had a chance to sit. So you can really see how that ink shows up nicely on our dark clay. So we used our white matte inks. Then we used our Zinc-Free clear over the inks and on the clay. And then we wanted a fun glaze to kind of pop with it, so we used the Satin Matte's Mint. So we want something kind of bright, but also keep it earthy.